Hello wonderful people. In this video we're going to clean up our dates. Okay, at the moment we've got kind of a shortest version with 4 digits. There's for the year, there's ones with 2 digits for the year. There's some long words with the full word October in there. We need to clean all that up. And the other thing is we'll add our dollar signs to this column here because it's our money, and it will look like this: dollar signs, all consistent dates. So let's go and do that in this video. Okay, dates can be a bit of a problem, right? We've imported this data from who knows where, and some of the entries are in this format where it's got the written word May. Some of them have got the days, months, year in 4 digits. Some of them have got them in just 2 digits. We need to get some sort of consistency. It doesn't really matter if the month is first or the day is first, it's the same process. So what we want to do is you might be lucky and they might import, and all you have to do is select on it and go up to here and say I want to go from a short date, long date to short date, and that might work. But then you might have lots of problems, other problems where you've got other values where I say, yeah, let's just be the long date, and it just doesn't change. Okay, so we need to do something slightly more manual. So you might have to do the easy way and just go and change it, or this option here. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, hold shift down on my keyboard and select the last option. And then in here, I'm going to go to data. I'm going to go to the one that says text to columns. It's reasonably easy. Leave it as delimited and hit next. Doesn't matter what this is, click next, and you're looking for this one here. It says I want dates to be day, month, year. If you are in America, you might go month, day, year. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and it's just going to force all of these guys to be at least dates that we can adjust. Hit finish, and something kind of changes. It just, you can see nothing really happens except now when I go to home and I go to format and I go to date and I go to short dates, they are all changing. And when I go to long dates, they all become the long dates. So if I scale this out a bit, there you go, you can see them all. Okay, so you might have to do it the quick, easy way by just picking up here short or long dates, or you might have to do my little trick here, go to date, and then sort this text to columns option. Cool, so nobody likes the long dates. I'm gonna go back to short dates and do our currency. So back to here, back to general, we'll go date, short dates. Great. And make it a little bit smaller again. Okay. And next thing we're going to do is this one here is missing all the currency. So that's 4,100. So I'm just going to select this whole column by clicking the D. Up here, I'm going to pick currency. There we are. Cool. It's picked pounds by default. You can go into here and pick actually more number formats, currency, and I want not the pound, I want English. Doesn't really matter, all the symbols. Go for New Zealand. We love New Zealand. Okay, so we just added the dollar signs to it there. Lovely. One thing you might also do is you can see it's added these 0.00 to the end, and that might be useful for you if you've got change. In my case, it just adds more data that I don't need, makes it a little bit more confusing. So I'm going to select the whole column again, and over here under home, just underneath where I've got currency here, you can decide how many decimal points you want to show. You can show more. In our case, we want to show less. Okay, just down to the nearest dollar. Lovely, let's hit save. And that, my friends, is how to format dates and currency formats and other stuff. Okay, let's look at cleaning up more of our table here in the next video.